Alright, so if you've already built your application using Android Studio, Anti-Gravity or VS Code and you want to monetize it, these are the top ad network that you can actually use to monetize your application. Alright, and this is widely supported by Google and other app stores. Alright, so there are a lot of ad network for app monetization, but I'm going to simply give you all the very best in this very video. So in my previous video, I showed you guys how to build an application with VS Code and also Anti-Gravity. Alright, and most of you were coming to my DM asking how to monetize it and how I monetize mine. Alright, so I'm not only going to simply show you how to monetize it, I'm going to simply give you other options that can actually allow you to monetize your application and future apps. Okay, whether you want my team to build or you want to build with the tutorial we've already set out there. Okay, so this is also gonna simply work out for you. All right, these are the top ad network right now in 2026 that can actually help you monetize your application. All right, the first on this very list is the one you guys knows very well. Okay, so this is Google AdMob. Right, so this is the ad network that is coming from Google itself. Okay, remember Google owns Anti-Gravity that you can actually use to build your application. Okay, and they also own this very one right here, which is Google AdMob, which allows you to monetize your application. It has the highest advertisers trust. So for you to get started on this very platform, you just need to click on this sign up button right here, and you have to simply create your account, and your account should be approved for you to actually get started with this very platform. Okay, so if your account is not approved, just make sure you go over to our YouTube channel, then click on this very video. This is the video that's going to simply help you create your account and get approval. Okay, so there are certain things you have to simply meet up, certain policies you have to meet up for you to get approval on your Google AdMob account. Okay, so go ahead and watch this video. It's going to simply help you a lot. Okay, so when your account is approved, the next thing you need to do right now is simply go ahead and add your application you've already built and also monetize it. Okay, so I've already shown the tutorial right here. Just head over to the YouTube channel, then this is the tutorial right here that's going to simply help you build your application, and you can simply go ahead and check out other tutorials we'll be making on this video channel. Okay, but remember, Google AdMob has some policies that you have to simply obey, all right, so that you can actually go ahead and work with them, partner with them in a longer period of time, okay, without getting your account banned and disabled. So it is necessary for you to go over to their platform, then go over to their terms and condition page and go through all of these things. Okay, so if you have this in place, this is going to simply help you monetize all your application. All right, so this is the first on a list and one of the best I like so much. Okay, but there are other low competitive ad network that you can actually use to monetize your application, which most of you don't know about, and I'm here to review all of them right here in this very video. So the second list on this very video, we have Appnext.com. all right, so this is also Google AdMob alternative that you can actually use to monetize your application. All right, we have the publisher section, we have the advertiser section. Okay, so for the publishers, these are the people that want to monetize their applications. All right, so for advertisers are the ones that want to advertise on this very platform. And all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and sign up your account by clicking on this sign up button. When you click on this sign up button, the next thing you need to do right now is simply add your account details right here. Okay, then you click on the create account button. Once your account is created, click on this login button, and you have to simply go ahead and sign into your account. This is what it says here: our account has successfully been registered, and we can actually monetize our application or advertise on this video platform. Okay, so I have to simply go ahead and hit on this. Remember, you can switch your account anytime you want. Okay, so you can see right here, this is a new account we created right now, and you can show right here we can actually monetize both Android and iOS. All right, the third on this very list, which is also going to simply help you a lot, is start.io. okay, so most of you knows about this one, but some of you don't actually know about it. Okay, so this is start.io, an ad network that can actually help you monetize your mobile apps, Android and iOS. Okay, so all you need to do is simply head over to your browser and search for start.io. Then on this very section, you can simply go ahead and sign in if you have an account already. But if you don't have an account, go ahead and click on this sign up button right here. Click on the sign up button. You can create an account with your Google account, your GitHub account, and get started in monetizing your app. Okay, so the first one on this very list, we have the Unity ad. All right, this is one of the best ad network that's been here for so long. So this ad network that I'm showing you right here are not just new ad network. Okay, they've been here for so long. They've been playing this very game alongside with Google AdMob. Right, this very platform can actually help you to push and promote your application. Okay, not only for monetization, but if you don't want to promote, you want to monetize your application, just head straight to this very home page right here, then click on this get started button. Right, it's gonna simply take you to this very page where you have to simply go ahead and log into your account if you have an account already. But if you don't have an account, go ahead and click on any of these options right here and sign up your account with your Google account, Apple account, and a lot more. Right, this particular section right here is mostly for game developers. Okay, so if you own a game application, you can simply go ahead and click on this launch button and you monetize your application, your game app, with this very section. Okay, and if you scroll down right here, you're gonna see if you own an app itself, okay, you can simply go ahead and launch this very section. So whatever thing you have, both game application, utility app, blog app, you can simply go ahead and monetize them on this very platform by clicking on this very launch button, or you can simply add your project by clicking on this very section right here and click on this new button right here and add your app name. You have to simply select no because this is not for children. All right, then click on the create button. You're gonna see the services you can actually add to your application. All right, and this is going to simply help you a lot if you're using anti-gravity. Okay, number 5 on this very list is Wortise. All right, so this is wortise.com. all right, if you see any other language right here, you can actually go ahead and translate it to English. Okay, just translate to English. You can see right here it has been translated. They add monetization platform with the highest CPM. all right, so this is what you have to do right now. Just click on this start monetizing your application. When you hit on that, it's going to simply prompt you to registering your account. Once your account is registered, go ahead and log into your account and add your application, monetize, and scale up your game. All right, this is basically how it works. Click on this get started button. But ads is going to simply be coming from Netflix, from Apple, from Meta, from Google, and other brands, and Wortise is responsible for giving you your commission. Okay, so you need to do right now, simply go ahead and sign up your account, register your account, and add your app, and you're good to go. Okay, so this is the number 5 of this very list in 2026. Okay, and the last 2, which I'm going to simply show you, are one of the best I like so much, and these last 2 right here are going to simply help you both on your blog and also on your application. All right, so the number 6 on this very list, we have Monetag. This is monetag.com. right, so most of you knows Monetag as an ad network for website monetization. No, this is not only for website monetization, it is beyond that. Okay, so this very platform allows you to monetize every platform of your choice. Okay, it works on Telegram mini app. You can monetize your website, you can monetize your social traffic, whether that is your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok. You can also monetize your email and all that stuff. Right, and also on this very platform, you can simply drive traffic to your blog website, to your application, and promote whatever thing you want to promote. Okay, so we are focusing on the app and also the website. Okay, so the mini apps, if you want me to show you how to build Telegram mini apps and also monetize Telegram mini apps, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so if I get more requests about that, then I'm going to simply make a video about that and how to create Telegram mini apps that can actually help you monetize with Monetag. Okay, on this very platform, you can monetize your application. Okay, so how do you monetize your app? You can use your direct link to monetize your mobile apps on this very platform. Okay, whether you're working with game or mobile app, it's also going to simply work out for you. And these are the payment sections right here, and all of them are all working. Okay, so if you want more updates about this very platform, go ahead and check out our previous videos on both website monetization, blog monetization, and all of that. Okay, so the last on this very list, which is not the list, is Astra.com. all right, so this is Astra.com, and this particular platform works hand in hand with Monetag. Okay, so whatever thing Monetag can do, Astra can do more better. All right, and this video platform is focused on website blog monetization. For instance, if you have a website right here, you can actually go ahead and write some content that people can actually visit and see every single day. Then with anti-gravity, you can code your website and integrate application with it. Okay, which means people can not only just visit your website via the link, but they can also go ahead and download the application of your website, of your blog website, and install it on their mobile phone, which means they can actually go ahead and visit your website daily, and they are going to be seeing the advertisement which is coming from Astra, Monetag, or any of these ad network. Okay, so if you have a website blog, go ahead and integrate application to your website blog, get a developer to handle all of these things, and also monetize your application and monetize your website as well. Okay, so if you don't have a developer to handle all of those things, go ahead and join us in our Telegram channel. My team can also handle all of these things for you. Okay, so these are the top best ad network you can actually use to monetize your app, your game, your website, your Telegram mini apps, and lots more in 2026. Okay, so the first one which we mentioned was Google. On the second one is Appnext.com. right, the third one is Start.io, which was previously known as a start app. Okay, then the fourth one we have the Unity ad. The fifth one we have the Wortise, where you have to simply go ahead and sign up, and the sixth one we have the Monetag. The seventh one we have Astra. etc. for publishers. Okay, so if you want to run advertisement, go ahead and register as an advertiser, but for you to monetize, go ahead and register as a publisher and add your assets, monetize your assets, give value to your audience. The more value you give, the more audience you get and more traffic you gain. All right, so these are the top best ad network for you to monetize your application. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and join us in our Telegram channel, and also let us know where you're watching from so I can actually make more videos that will benefit you. See you in the next video.